talk about Baby I Love You.
Baby, I love you.
I remember the first time I heard the song, we were actually in the studio and you let me hear your album before it was released. And that was like one of my favorite songs on the album. And now you made this video for it.
Yes, it's a little bit different for me because it's so pared down, you know.
Yeah.
It was really simple video to shoot. We just basically had a camera and me and singing this song, which I like, you know. I've never done anything like that. It's really just about the emotion of the song and the words, and it's my favorite song as well on the album. So just to sing the words of it for me was so fun. Was such a great day.
You know, and you're really raw.
Very
like you
raw.
said, were you scared of that though? You know, a lot of times artists don't want to be seen just stripped down and raw.
I know, even the lighting is very kind of washed out. The whole thing has a washed out quality, but what I liked about that is, like you said, it gives an element of light and sunshine, and that was the idea for the video, just to let it all wash out and just let the emotion of the song come through.